Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover a free airdrop. This is a confirmed free airdrop, is in testnet, but this time we are going to be rewarded for using the testnet. There are no tricks on this airdrop, so that makes it very interesting because you are not going to spend any money. And also it's very under the radar. I didn't find any information about other airdrop hunters talking about this airdrop, so I think we are in a very good position. Like always in my videos, I'm going to show you and talk a little bit about the project, and then I will guide you step by step with everything that you need to do in order to participate on this airdrop. Those are 10 steps, but I will show you exactly what you need to do. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, this project is called Tenet, and this is a free airdrop which is confirmed, and Tenet is a layer 1 blockchain designed specifically for LSD. They have raised $500,000 through its IDO in May 2023 and garnered support from Binance, which could be a potential listing token. And I know what you are thinking, well, if they raise $500,000, that is not enough to do any good airdrop, so why I will even bother? The thing is that was raised at the beginning of 2023. That already passed 1 year. And the other important thing is that the token was in an IDO and they launched the token. So the token is in the market. You can see right now it's at almost 11 cents at position 874. So why this is important? Because they are of course holding a very big bag of these tokens. So that means that they have liquidity, they have a tokenomics of course, but they have a treasury fund that they can use to the progress of the project. So don't think that they only have $500,000 to do everything, because that is not true right now. Some other important points about Tenet is that LSD is a big new niche. This airdrop is free and confirmed to be soon, so do it now. 4% of the token supply is for airdrops. This is confirmed in their website in their tokenomics. The team is also public in their website, and they have a GitHub which is public, and that is very good for transparency. So here you can see on February 27 they tweeted, help test the future of restaking on Tenet by completing tasks on testnet during the Tenet Galxe testnet campaign. Complete all of the tasks to earn a special OAT and boost your earnings in Tenet Drop Season 1. So here you can see Tenet Drop Season 1. I think this is more than clear that we are going to have an airdrop for completing all the testnet steps and the Galxe OAT. So that is what we are going to do on this video. In the website you can see the roadmap and many more information about this layer 1 focus on LSD. Like we mentioned in the tokenomics, they have 10% for the team, 30% for block rewards and the V tokenomics. And down here you can see that they have a 4% for airdrops. So this is all in the official website, you can check it yourself. And also you have in the website the name and the images of all the team members here, so you can easily search for any of them. And in the Tenet ecosystem section, you already can see validators, partners of the project, and much more information about the ecosystem that Tenet is building. Now let's go to the step by step on how you can participate on this free airdrop to earn the first drop of the season 1. The first thing that you need to do is you need to add the testnet from chainlist, or you can add it manually using the information on the Medium page. The most easy way, if you go to the chainlist link, you will see that they have the Tenet testnet here. So just click add to MetaMask, that will pop up the chain, so you just need to confirm and you will have it in your MetaMask. It's secure, I already tried, I didn't have any issue. So after that you will be able to see your Tenet testnet here. After you do that, we go to step 2, which is we need to go to the Faucet page and get some tokens. So here you have the link, we go there. Here you will need to connect your wallet or put your address here. You can claim another stuff, but just claim Tenet here and click on claim button. Like you can see, I already claimed it, but if you didn't claim, you will receive the tokens. Always work it, never fails. So just get your Faucet tokens. After doing that, we are going to the testnet. So the testnet is testnet.tenet.org. The first thing that we want to do is step 3, which is we want to wrap some TANT tokens. So go here to the link. I already wrapped it a little, but I will do it again. So I will put 0.1. I will click on wrap. You need to confirm the transaction and pay, of course, gas fee on Tenet. Transaction is happening, so you need to wait 1-2 minutes, and you can see transaction succeed. Now you can see that you have balance here on your Rapid. You can unwrap if you want, so you can do the opposite way and unwrap your tenant. But for now, we keep the Rapid tenant. Now we go to step 4, which is go to the DX and main transactions. At least do more than 10 transactions over time. You don't need to do it all those transactions at once, but do it over a couple of days. So go to the testnet and the part of the DX. Here you are in the DX part, so we can swap some, for example, Rapid tenant. So I will put 0.3, 2, and here you have the list of another tokens that you can get. So I will do it for RAP-S Ethereum. Click on swap. You need to confirm how much you allow to spend here, approve it. And after that, you will be asked to pay the transaction fee. So of course, pay the gas fee here. So the transaction go through. So basically you are swapping wrap tenant for another token. Transaction succeeds. So now we already have, you can see here, we have balance of WBST Ethereum. Remember to do more than one transaction over time here. Now we want to do step 5 and step 6, which is we want to stake and restake. So first we need to go here to the part of the restake and deposit. You can deposit some of the WBST Ethereum or any of the other tokens that you swap. So after you do that, you are going to be able, of course, to do a withdraw of that. But we go to stake. Here I will select the token that I deposit, and it's automatically searching for this TLSD to stake. So I will put part of what I have here, so 0.007. I will click on confirm. So transaction was successful, so we already stake it. And of course you can unstake if you want something, but I have here 0.07 that I already staked it. So we are done with that part too. The next thing is the 0.7. We want to deposit and choose a validator. So go to this link of the TLSD aggregator, select a token to deposit. I will put a little less of my total amount. And then I will select a validator. Instead of select automatically, I will select some of them. And I will click on confirm. Accept the spending amount, approve it, and now confirm the transaction. Now we move to step 8. We want to lock for a period. We go to the B tenant here on this side. I will lock 2 for 1 year. Click on confirm. You can also update the lock after the lock period was confirmed. Now we go to step 9, which is we want to vote. So we go to the gauges, put a percentage, and you can vote here. Always complete and do the transaction, paying the gas fee. Now you can see here your voting power. And your voting power usage, there's the 30% that I already used it, and you can see it here on my votes. So doing that, guys, you basically did everything here on the testnet. And remember to check on my website at cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. I have 2 important subscriptions. One is my private Discord, where we are killing it there. We have airdrop distribution updates, we have new airdrops to do, we have different chats for the main and important airdrops that we are doing there. So a lot of information there about the airdrops and of course about crypto in general, crypto gems, many things happening in my Discord. We have been doing a lot of money, honestly, on these 3 months of 2024. We have been claiming more than 30 airdrops. So if you are wasting your time and you are not really focused on what you need to do, I recommend you to join my community. The subscriptions are really cheap, honestly, are the cheapest on any YouTuber that I saw. So I am not meaning to do money with this, only to support the channel. So join my community. And if you really want to make a difference, I have an application here. So you can check this video on how my app works. And recently I did a new update. So you can receive alerts on your email with the different tasks and airdrops, the things that you need to do in order to participate on all your airdrops. So you receive a list on your email, super easy. So you are really focused on what you need to do on all the airdrops. So join to my private Discord, join to my application. These are the best things if you are trying to make your path into airdrop hunting. And of course, if you don't have experience, we are going to help you on my Discord. And the same if you are already an experienced hunter, you will get a lot of valuable information there. So hope to see you in my Discord and my app. Now we go to the last step, which is we need to complete the Galxe campaign. I think this is very important. Many of the things are related already with things that we do on the testnet. For example, obtain a wrap TLSD, have a stake on LSD scalability module. I think we need to do that. You will see that on the part of LSD scalability pool. So you can go and do those. And yeah, check everything here on the Galxe. Once you get it, you will get this OAT NFT. And I think this is going to be very important for that airdrop. Another important thing is that you have time until the 25th of March. So this was only 1 month and only 9,000 people have been claimed this OAT. So that is a very low amount, counting that we have like 7 days, 1 week more. So if they really do an airdrop, like I mentioned, the token is already in the market, 11 cents. You can get a lot of money from this airdrop. I cannot guarantee, of course, that, but for the signs and the things that I am seeing, this is really under the radar, and I think this OAT is going to be a very big difference to getting the airdrop, besides testing everything on the testnet. So that is all for this video, guys. A confirmed free airdrop, very under the radar, only 9,000 people, and it's only 1 week to get that OAT NFT that represents the testnet. So don't forget to follow them on their social media, Discord and all the other accounts, so you are up to date with all their news. But I think we could get an airdrop from here, and like I say, very under the radar. The token is in the market, so we really can speculate a little more. And the project is really interesting. The testnet worked really well. And this project could easily go and be listed in Binance because they have contact with Binance and their support. So expect that too. That will be all for this video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.